Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I know Daphne went over some changes in regards to our course. Not changes that are really impactful for you. The only difference is there are some variances of when exams are due. For example, exam one is due next week, and I'll issue a review here shortly regarding exam one. Um, but there's less work, so that's a really good thing, right? This course is 2 days a week. That's why this course is going to be a little bit finished a little bit earlier than when we would do a 1 day a week course, which is a good thing, but you have less review questions. And I went over that in your announcement section, so take a look at that if you have any questions related to that. This week, we have Chapter 6 and Chapter 8 due. You also have Exam 1 due by Sunday, end of day. So that Sunday, of course, is not the 16th. It would be Sunday, let me pull it up, the 23rd. So there's some differences there in relation to schedule changes. When you look at Chapter 6, we're talking about professional liability. So a really interesting chapter here. Remember, your review questions are not graded, so they can be used just as study material. And then further into Chapter 8, we talk about workplace law and ethics. Again, the Chapter 8 review questions are not graded. They're just used as study material. So while there's some variances in regards to the course schedule, I'm going to pull that up really quick. There's less work overall. So if you look at this week, it's pretty clear. Week 5, we have Exam 1 due by 1:22 at midnight. And then Chapter 6 and Chapter 8. I think I just said 1:23. The correct date is actually 1:23. So if you don't finish it until 1:23, that's totally fine. Not sure why it has Saturday there, but that is probably just a quick mistake. Next week, we'll jump into a little bit differences in relation to work, so keep an eye on that. Further, I'll issue a chapter review for Exam 1 here very shortly, so take a look. If you have any questions, please reach out. I wanted to go over one more thing, and I know I could have pulled it up earlier, but let's take a look at the schedule again. Your legal research paper is due 2/9, so end of course. I might extend that a little bit, so keep looking at your announcement page. If I'm able to extend that, I will. But the majority of you have already started on a pretty good subject, and you've already reached out to me, so I'm really anxious to see how you're progressing. So we'll talk through more of the legal research projects in weeks to come. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Take a look at the Exam 1 review. I think it'll be informative. It's not going to be a hard exam. Don't stress about it. You'll do well. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate to email or call me. Thanks so much.